All eyes are on the US Federal Reserve at the moment, trying to guess when it will cut American interest rates. And last night, the chairman, Jerome Powell, fed the chooks, as Joe Bjelke-Petersen used to say, saying they'll need to be confident that inflation is moving towards 2% before they cut. And the recent inflation data showing that inflation is actually rising means it's going to take longer to be confident. But that's what investors already thought, so New York stocks didn't fall much, and in fact the Dow Jones index of big companies went up. And the Australian market closed flat, with Bank of Queensland up 5% after beating expectations with its half-yearly profit, and Renascor Resources soaring 26% after the Prime Minister travelled to Queensland to give the company $185 million to develop its graphite project in South Australia. Meanwhile, the IMF has upgraded its forecast for Australian economic growth this year from 1.2 to 1.5%, still pretty measly, and brought down the forecast for unemployment from 4.3 to 4.2%. Now, this graph shows how the IMF's five-year forecast of global growth has been changing, and it's been an inexorable decline for 20 years. The IMF report last night also contained this graph of world house prices for advanced and emerging economies. So I thought I'd add Australia to it, just out of curiosity. And here it is. We win. Or rather, those who've owned a house for 25 years are global winners. If you don't own one or bought recently, just turn the TV upside down. Commodities all fell a bit and the Australian dollar slipped, but still is just at 64 US cents. And that's finance. Thanks for watching. You can check out more finance news by clicking there. And don't forget to click subscribe down there to get all the latest updates from ABC News.